Well, good morning. Hello, little babes. Jaxsy? Look at her trying to protect her from her babies. She doesn't need your help. She doesn't need your help. Jaxsy, those are her babies. You do not keep her from them. Hi, sweeties. Hi. Good morning. I know, mamas, everyone's looking at me. Look at your eyes are starting to open too, sweetie. Hello. Well, hi. Yes, now you get to see me too, huh? Hello, honeys. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Hello, little angel. Hi, sweetie. I know, my goodness. What do you think, hon? Their eyes are all opening. Look at that tummy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at these little angels. Oh my goodness. You right, honey? Yes. Look at her looking. She's such a good mama. I love her babes. Hi, cutie patooties. Hello there. Hello there, honey. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Do you want to get up, big boy? Do you need some help? There you go. I think she needs some help getting up too. Oh, there we go. They're like weeble wobbles right now, huh? Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. What is he doing? What is he doing? What are you doing, kiddo? What is all this? What is all this waving your arms back and forth? What in the world are you doing? What is this? What is this business? Oh, what? What, honey? Oh. They're all doing it, huh? Look. That is so funny. She's cute, huh? She looks like her mama's. Her hair looks just like her mom's. Look at these two fighting. Look at him. Yeah, are you comfortable now? Are you comfortable? Hi, honey. Hello, dear angel. Hello. Oh, she just loves her mamas. Look at this kid. What are you doing? Yeah, she really does look like her mom. She's got all of her markings. They're precious. They're so active this morning. It's about to get crazy, Karina. It's about to get crazy, mamas. Time for breakfast. Probably for like the second time or more, right? Look at her go. Well, at least they can see where they're going now. At least, maybe. Look at these two fighting. Look at this. It's always fighting. Hey, 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 stop the fighting. Look, right there. You don't need to fight. You have your own nibble right there. You see? Right there, kiddo. Oh, look, now she's coming to fight. And she's fighting me. She's not fighting him. You have one right here. Oh, you too. Well, then switch places. Right there. Oh, jeez. Look how happy they are now. Oh, how quick. Little boogers. Here comes more trouble, though. You can squeeze right in there, sweetie. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there in front of you. You got your foot right on it. Oh, no, I guess. There you go. Oh, honey, what to go in? Oh, what to go in? Can I see your little face? Oh my God, aren't you darling? Look at you. Hi, sweetie. Hold on, I'm trying to move the camera down. It's a weird way to balance. Oh, gosh. Look at her. Look at her, guys. Oh my God, she's so cute. She doesn't meow. She opens her mouth to meow, but nothing comes out. She got no meow yet. She got no meow yet. I guess Big Boy stole all the meows. Hi. Hello. Oh my goodness, you look like your mom is. You look like your mom. Oh, you're just the cutest little thing. All right, let me give you back to your mom. She starts getting worried. Oh, there's her meow. She's okay. She's okay. I just spending a minute with her, checking her out. Yes, I'm sorry. Look at how pretty. Such a beautiful little family. You got such a beautiful family, Karina. Yes, he does. They're just gorgeous, honey. You're such a beautiful mamas. You're so loving. Look how cute they are together. I love you. Oh, look at that face to face. Just the two of them. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. She's seen my hand. Her eyes aren't completely open. This one's kind of a little closed still. So I can't imagine how much focus she's got, but she sees my hand. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, well, we'll let them eat. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Love you guys.